Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows a complicated hydrated disease with abdominal hydrated mass situated in the left subcostal region. You are going to see the liver. The liver is echomechonormal. Now, the larval cyst of tapeworm of the genus Echinococcus that usually occurs as a fluid-filled sac containing daughter cyst in which scoliosis develop, but that occasionally form a proliferative spongy mass, as you are going to see in this case, which actively metastasizes in the host tissue called also hydrated cyst. Now, the hydrated disease is caused by the larval stage of Echinococcus tapeworm. You can see the spleen, and now you can see the mass. Now you can see this mass lies medial to the spleen, medial and inferior to the spleen, and medial to the left kidney in the left subcostal space. Now, the hydrated disease is caused by the larval stage of Echinococcus tapeworm, although the liver and lungs are the most frequently affected organs. The hydrated cysts of other organs are uncommon. Radiologically, they usually demonstrate typical imaging findings, but unusual imaging characteristic of complicated cyst of hydrated disease associated with high morbidity and mortality are rarely found, as in this case you are seeing atypical appearance of the hydrated cyst, look like a mass. Now you can see the left kidney and it looks echomechonormal. Now radiologically, in addition to the presence of atypical findings such as non-homogeneous contrast enhancement, septation and calcification, various unusual manifestations can be seen due to the rupture or infection of the cyst. Complicated hydrated cyst can cause unusual ultrasound, CT scan, and MRI findings in addition to typical ones, as you can see in this case. The appearance of the hydrated disease is atypical, looked like a mass, hydrated mass. A small amount of fluid is also seen inside this mass. Cystic hydrated disease usually affects the liver, and in most of the cases from 50 to 70%, and less frequently it can be seen in the lungs, the spleen, the kidneys, bones, and the brains. Hydrated cysts can also be seen in the muscular tissue and bones, in the breast. The gut related are also common. The cyst can increase in size from 5 to 10 centimeter or more, as in this case the mass measures about 11.4 centimeter into 10.1 centimeter. Quite a large hydrated mass. Cystic echinococcus, also known as Hydatid disease is caused by the infection with the larval stage of Echinococcus granulosus, a long tapeworm found in dogs. They are definite hosts, and sheep, cattle, goats, and pigs intermediate hosts. You can find some important information in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click the like button. Thanks.